Hello, everyone. I'm going to do a little live build. I am working on reviewing Manus. So I'm just using the 1.6 Lite version right now. I've connected it to my Instagram. So I'm going to see how it does. As far as I'm aware, it's the only one that has a real connector into Instagram. So I want to try it out for that specifically. So what I'm going to try to do is analyze the videos that I've been making over the past 90 days and see if it can give some insights after analyzing the analytics. So let's try it out. Let's try gathering the 90, rank them. All right. And then nextly, I want to do this software called Sandcastles. So I'm going to see maybe have this and then turn it into a new task because this is good. Okay. So Sandcastles is basically finding viral videos. So this is live, honestly. So we'll see how this goes. You can see I've already kind of tweaked around with it, deciding whether I'll turn this into two tasks or not. But thinking, okay, so get that once we Hmm, no, no, that's 2 tasks. Let's just do 1. Alright. Yeah. So after this, I'm gonna take a look. We're gonna get our ranked, and then once I get the rank, that's the next prompt. Then we'll get a prompt to start developing our sandcastles AI and see how that goes. But this is nice, you have a full MCP, Instagram MCP. I haven't seen any other MCPs able to do this. This is probably because of their partnership that they're working on with Meta. So I wanted to give this one a try. So I've been posting at least once a day for 90 days now, so it should be enough data. Now the goal will be, let's take a look at our data. Let's see what worked, see what didn't work, what'll be good for top of funnel viral content, and then we'll double down on them. Nothing too significant out of the 90 days as far as outliers go. I think maybe I hit 3,000 views on one of them, but nothing in the like a 10x range. So even 3,000 views, if we get a winning format that can consistently do that, then that's solid. Then that is a 10x on what I am currently doing. I think between 3 to 500 views with the like normal videos and outliers being 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So we'll see how this does. Hmm. Detailed data is empty. So we'll have to make sure. I want to see and make sure that this can actually analyze the actual videos as well. So I'll have to make sure. Script to fetch insights failed. Tool call. This is good to know. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it's actually getting it or if it's just getting the captions on the top three. Generic motivational content. That's hurtful. Thank you, Manus. Okay. That's good. That don't stare at the mountain peak. I like that. Okay, that's actually grown. I only posted that like a few days ago. Well, then there we go. A little less generic, huh? Try the guanana. Don't do this. If I had to start over, okay. Capybara. Yeah, the capybara. Oh wow! So it did actually pull a genuine surprise. Oh wow! Okay, I think it did do a good job. I'll have to double check. If I had to start over, strong text layover. I don't know if I actually did that though. I think it's hallucinating. That was hallucination, which is not good. There we go. It's bullshit. Analyze the high resolution screenshots. Well, it's good to understand what it's actually doing. I'll just say double tap. We'll see how it goes. Now we have insights. We'll see what we get. Okay, now we got a deep dive. How to double down. Okay. Huh. Yeah, this is some interesting insights, huh? Negative or curiosity based text over. Okay, so making some series. All right, well, I think we got a little bit some insights. I'll take a look at these a little further and then we'll see how it goes.